Ellie's getting ready to do her singing. Oh boy.
Wow, she's in
If you love somebody and you tell them you do, you tell them you do, and you show them you do. If you love somebody and you tell them you do, the riddle of love begins for you. Show it, share it, and give it away. Love will come back to surprise you someday. 'Cause the love that you gave always goes when it's gone. And the riddle of love goes on and on. The riddle of love goes on and on. The riddle of love goes on.
Yay!
My turn.
That's the only one you're doing, sweetie.
I didn't do a long one.
No.
Beautiful one.
You did a great
But
job,
I
honey.
didn't dance. If you love, tell them you do. And you love a princess, sweet and beauty. Goes to watch a movie. It's you to come and time. And you love somebody.
Yay!
Now, the song.
He's good at knowing when they're balls as well and not swinging. Foul ball. Of course, everybody else in America is playing this on their 56-inch plasma flat screen TVs, but we've got our good old steady old TV that suits us perfectly fine.
Good job.
Is that one going out the field? No. Oh,
Did you drink any of my water?
I did not drink your water, honey. That's a double. Okay, it's the last inning now. And Jack
Oh,
is
that
the
was my
champion.
Dun, dun, dun.
He is the champion. Go.
Ellie, this book is called Hide and Seek Duck. Duck is playing hide and seek. He is looking for a little bunny. Right there. Look left. Duck looks under the berry bush. Frog is there, singing, chirping, and guzzling, and grumping. But there is no little bunny. Duck looks high up in a pine tree. Quickly is the crunch munching nuts. Nothing there. But there is no little bunny. I hope you enjoyed your movie with that. I love